Well, I do believe this thing might actually work. I was looking at it and I realized, well, I thought it was, not going to work because something was missing. But it's channel 1 and 2 that's missing. And that's technically for the vertical, and then the horizontal is the times per division. So this is a voltage, time. Um, it looks like there's like a hand printed model number on here, but so these are like you would literally pull those, and then you could pull the card out, and so it's just missing channel 2, which like kind of lame, but at the same time, if it works, it's kind of cool because what the hell was that? Anyway, if it works, and it's a usable oscilloscope, well, hell, that's cool, So, um, it's called Scopes Unlimited, the brand. Let's see here. It was from, like, I think, I don't know, either Fire Stick, PAL, or maybe a TV station. Scopes Unlimited, Anaheim, California. Frequency, power, DC 10 megahertz, 5K Z mod. Sweep, A gate, B gate. Scopes Unlimited, Anaheim, California. So basically, it's made modular scopes, and you put whatever the hell you wanted in them, I guess. Looks like that way. There seems to be a little bit of problem with the intensity. The knob's a little dirty. So, looks like it says bandwidth 50 megahertz. There's some other writing on here. Looks like a something 525. Anyway, time base. I don't know, they all had like funky things on it. Here's the beam find. So, the position here. So I guess it works for that. So I'll just inject a signal into it and test it and see if it works. In fact, what do we got here? We get volts per division, 0.5. So the knob isn't right. It's stuck on 20. So it would appear the knob's backwards. So that should be 0.5. Oh, and you have a button in the middle. What does that do? Is out is normal. In is inverted. Well, what the freaking hell does that mean? I don't understand. So, why is the thing backwards though? Oh, you can adjust the set screw. So, the external input for the trigger, channel 1 input. What is weird? So, channel 1 output. Okay, channel 1 input. Calibrator. Let me go get a probe. Well, it definitely works. I don't know if it works right. Get this damn flash off. Come on. Okay. So we're on a 4-volt test at 0.5. Let me see. Alright, we have the trigger too. Okay, look at that. So, look at this. I'll be damned. It doesn't want to focus the camera. So, okay. That's pretty. Oh, this probe's also on. Hold on. Okay, so this probe was actually on 10x. Actually, see, so that's 0.2, 0.1, and then I don't know what that might be. 50 microseconds. Okay. And then that would be 2 seconds, 5 seconds. Weird. 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 1 second. So really, really slow. So you start seeing a deal like that. Alright. Actually a little bit funny. I think maybe I have to work the switch a bunch. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Trigger EC or DC. I don't want that. You see the trigger is doing different things. 1 and 2. X1, X2. Pretty cool. Over on number 2. I don't know what number 1 is. Alt. I never understood what alt and chop was, and then I know add like supposed to do some kind of mathematical type of thing between the, so that we know that works. Okay, let's get the trigger back to normal. And the, I don't know what the scale would be. Okay, what are we looking at? We're on 4 volts DC. 0.2 times per division. See, I like these kind of old scopes because they're simple. Like, okay, here's what we are on the times per division. Here's where we are at the voltage, 0.5. So, if it's 4 volts, we should be looking at we can't even see anything now. 1, 2, 3, you know, like yeah, about 3 lines anyway. So, geez, that was cool. Last oscilloscopes I got didn't work. We got this other one. This the hell was this thing? 400 megahertz oscilloscope. As if I need anything cut. I'm sure it can be repaired. This one has some functionality, but it's not repairable. And then I got these Heathkit ones over here. We'll deal with those soon. Well, anyway, pretty cool. Now if I could just find one of these other plug-in boards.